Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this Toyota RAV4 we're going to go over how you would put your door lock actuator back in, or your new one, because the old one was broken, electrical connectors weren't connecting it correctly, and say your car alarm kept going off, and you've looked into everything else, right? So we'll put it back in. So when you get your new one, it's gonna look like this and only have that one cable connected. So you'll have to take the other cable that was already in the car, which is the door lock portion of it. It's the handle, so the green handle one. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to pop it in to the, put that little tab, the pin in there, and then just bring it up and then lock that connector inside this clip there. So now that that's all been put back together, we'll be able to install. So start it in the big hole, feed it back up. You may or may not have this attached completely, because you can pop those off if you don't want to do it that way. I'm going to feed it up. And over, and then we get it to sit in here with the electric line tab marked there, and then start our three P30s over here that are tapered, and to be able to hold it into place there. Now we'll put the rest of these in and tighten them. Now they're tapered, so when you tighten them, they'll line it where it needs to, they'll line it up where it's supposed to be. Okay, so those are tight. Then we want to move this track down for the window and put the 10mm in that holds that on. Okay, that's tight. Then we want to put our electric connector back here, and so that's how you replace your door lock actuator or install it to that point, and then you'll go through the rest of the procedures of putting the door handle mechanism back on and so forth, and we'll go over that in a quick bit. One thing too you're going to want to remember is there's this pin that goes in the door lock actuator, and it's going to go in like this. There's a little slide that it slides in there, and then this connects into the top for the exterior door handle to be able to, so that when you use the exterior door handle, it will open your door. So you're going to want to make sure you don't forget to put this in when you're finishing up putting it all back together. But I'll show you how to put that in here very shortly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.